I'm now going to coat my second sheet of gelatin paper with 9 mils of FAC solution, and you can see it straight out of the syringe, and we're going to brush it with a wet brush this time. That's why I've used 1 mil less. Normally I'd use 10 mils per sheet, and away we go. So I'm just brushing it into all the corners fairly quickly, not too vigorously, because there's such a lot of solution here that you can soon brush it over the edge. But it'll soon absorb into the gelatin, and then we can dry it for 2 or 3 hours. You can see how it's brushing on really nicely, and it'll soon be absorbed with the help of the acetone. Do it diagonally just to make sure every part of the gelatin's covered, and it won't be long now before it's feeling a little bit tacky to the brush, and then we can set it aside to dry in the dark. You can do this in room light because it is only sensitive to ultraviolet light, but I prefer to keep the lighting as dim as possible, just in case. There we go, it's pretty much ready for drying now. It's all absorbed into the gelatin, and that looks great.